How to scan QR code on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to see how to easily scan QR code on Instagram to scan other people's profile and how you can share your own QR code. Now, without any further delay, let us just jump right in. First thing first, you need to go ahead and open up the Instagram application. Now, once you open it up, you need to go to the profile icon at the bottom right corner. So go ahead and tap on profile. And from your profile, you can find two options. The first one is edit profile, and then you have share profile. Now, to share your own QR code on Instagram, tap on share profile, and it will give you the QR code for your own profile. So this you can use to share. You can either download it, share profile with the link by copying the link at the bottom, or just tap on share profile at the left side to quickly share it with other people. Now you can tap on the top where it says color to change the type of QR code you want to have, as well as its background. Now to actually scan the QR code, you can find the top right corner with a little square. It will open up your camera and you can easily scan your QR code from here. So that is basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.